Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you best camera setting of Redmi 13C device. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to camera, and now this is the interface of camera. By the way, as you see, we have this option here. Just click here and then this type of settings appear. We have flash, aspect ratio, HDR, also grid lines, macro camera, timer, voice shutter, tilt shift, time burst and watermark. So if you guys want to set watermark from here, just click on watermark and we can use device watermark. We can also use customize watermark by using your name or any other thing which you want. If we're talking about the mode, so we have time lapse, video mode, photo, portrait, night mode also. And if we're talking about 50 megapixel, so we can also use default filters in it. As you guys see, so these are the best settings for Redmi 13C device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.